This video explores India's green hydrogen mission, a strategic initiative focused on decentralized energy production to drive the country toward global energy independence, empower rural hubs, and support a carbon-neutral future. Decentralized green hydrogen production addresses the vulnerabilities of our legacy power grids. By shifting generation to local microgrid nodes, regions gain essential operational resilience against extreme weather and potential system-wide failures. The National Green Hydrogen Mission aims for 5 million metric tons of annual production by 2030, supported by 125 gigawatts of new renewable capacity. Strategic site incentives provide the critical financial foundation to enable this level of district-based energy autonomy. Currently, India imports over 80% of its crude oil. This mission seeks to transform that dynamic, aiming to reduce fossil fuel imports by 1 lakh crore rupees by 2030, effectively converting passive consumers into active producers of clean, homegrown fuel. Modular electrolyzer technology is the key to rural energy autonomy. By integrating these units with local solar and wind assets, villages can produce green hydrogen on-site, supplying both industrial needs and agricultural machinery without relying on distant pipelines. Green hydrogen acts as a powerful chemical battery, overcoming the intermittency issues of solar and wind power. It allows grids to absorb excess peak load, provides long-duration seasonal storage, and ensures reliable power without requiring massive centralized infrastructure upgrades. Beyond energy, this mission is a massive economic stimulus. It is projected to generate over 600,000 new jobs by 2030, specifically in engineering and local operations, fostering high-tech industrial growth that helps curtail urban migration by creating opportunities in rural districts. Achieving this level of energy independence does more than secure power. It fundamentally shifts global geopolitical leverage, moving the balance of influence away from traditional energy exporting petrostates. India is also positioning itself as a premier export hub. By harvesting solar energy to produce green ammonia and green methanol, the country is ready to supply international markets, leveraging specialized terminals and shipping corridors to capture a significant share of the global carbon-neutral energy economy. Realizing this vision requires fast-tracking regulatory approvals for microgrids and standardizing safety protocols for storage. Sustained investment and public-private partnerships will ensure India cements its leadership in the global transition to absolute energy independence.